What if I told you there's a tool that can lift 265 pounds using just vacuum power? Or that you can now get table saw precision that rivals $500 gauges for under $60? Amazon's latest woodworking releases are absolutely insane. We're talking about tools that solve problems you didn't even know you had, and some of these will completely change how you work in your shop. One of these tools uses magnets to make dust collection effortless, while another prevents router accidents in a way that's never been done before. Stick around because number 14 will blow your mind, and the last tool on our list might just be the smartest workshop upgrade of 2025. SawStop Revolution Miter Gauge. Let's kick things off with something that's rewriting the rules of table saw accuracy. This isn't your grandfather's miter gauge. SawStop's Revolution Miter Gauge features a patented geared dial system that lets you set precise angles in increments as small as 1/10 degrees. When you adjust it, you actually feel tactile feedback confirming your angle is locked in perfectly. The extruded aluminum telescoping fence extends to handle crosscuts up to 37.5 inches. Whether you're working in the left or right miter slot, this reversible fence delivers identical accuracy. For anyone serious about precision work, furniture makers, finish carpenters, or woodturners, this tool transforms your table saw into a precision instrument. WEN Miter Gauge. Here's something that's shocking the woodworking community. The WEN Miter Gauge is shockingly good. At around $60, it rivals the legendary Incra V27 with some key upgrades. This proves you don't need to spend hundreds for professional-grade accuracy. The build quality feels premium, the adjustments are smooth, and the precision rivals gauges costing 3 times as much. If you want cleaner, more accurate cuts on your table saw without emptying your wallet, this is the smart choice that's getting rave reviews from professionals. Bosch 18V Cordless Router. Router users have been waiting decades for this moment. The Bosch 18V Cordless Router Combo Kit gives you both plunge and fixed spaces, but the real innovation is the safety feature, drop detection. If this router falls off your bench, the motor stops instantly to prevent damage or injury. That's engineering thinking ahead. The runtime is impressive for cordless routing, and the power delivery feels remarkably similar to corded models. For smaller to medium routing tasks, this represents true freedom from power cords and the limitations they impose. Hilti SN60-22 Cordless Miter Saw. This fully cordless miter cutting solution increases cutting efficiency and portability without compromising power or precision. The compact design enhances productivity in tight spaces while offering safer handling with upfront controls. What's remarkable is the battery performance, up to 450 cuts per charge with the powerful battery system. Multiple speed settings let you adjust cutting speed and quality based on your project needs. For professionals who demand cordless convenience without sacrificing performance, this saw delivers. Bosch GST18 V60 PCN Jigsaw. This barrel grip jigsaw is built precisely for woodworking and optimized for curve cuts and thicker materials. It features a brushless motor that delivers corded performance with up to 3,800 strokes per minute. The smart design includes a pulse-activated, double-sided switch for left or right-handed operation. 4 pendulum stages let you shift from fast cutting to cleaner cuts depending on your needs. Plus, it's a connected tool offering diagnostics through the Bosch PRO 360 app. DeWalt 20V MAX GRABO Lifter. This tool seems like science fiction until you use it. The DeWalt 20V MAX GRABO Lifter utilizes a powerful electric vacuum pump to lift a wide range of heavy construction materials including glass, tile, and metal, as well as semi-porous materials like wood, drywall, concrete, and natural stones. The lift capacity is incredible, up to 265 pounds horizontally and 132 pounds vertically. A built-in pressure sensor automatically controls the pump that helps to maintain the vacuum grip. The digital pressure gauge, audio alarm, and double action button maximize user control during lifting operations. What's amazing is that this works on semi-porous materials too. The Grabo worked even on slightly porous surfaces like concrete pavers. For anyone regularly handling sheet goods, glass, or heavy materials, this tool is a backsaver that pays for itself in reduced strain and increased safety. Carbon Method Bench Nuts. Bench nuts by Carbon Method are one of those shop accessories you didn't know you needed. Made from closed cell foam, these grippy little blocks keep your boards from sliding while routing, sanding, or cutting. The hexagonal shape keeps them from rolling when set on their side. No more chasing rolling standoffs around the shop. They're made from closed cell foam that won't slide even on dusty benches, and glue simply won't stick to them, making them perfect for glue-ups. Each set comes in an 8-pack called a nutstack, and they're ready for French keyed storage. These solve real frustrations like chasing stands around, slipping workpieces, and making messes during glue-ups. Carbon Method Lightning Lock Magnetic Dust Collection. Another killer idea from Carbon Method, the Lightning Lock Magnetic Dust Collection adapters make switching between tools fast and frustration-free. Instead of wrestling with hose connections and different sized ports, these magnetic adapters click into place instantly. The system works with standard dust extractors and transforms the tedious process of connecting dust collection into a 1-second operation. For small shops running multiple tools, this system is a productivity booster that eliminates daily frustrations. Rockler Quick Release Multi-Clamps. Rockler Quick Release Multi-Clamps are compatible with 3 distinct interchangeable heads, an S-style, T-shaped for use with T-tracks, and a round post head. These clamps feature a quick release mechanism that makes it easy to swap out the heads or adjust the jaws to the right size. They're excellent for securing complex workpieces, clamping small assemblies, and holding down sacrificial fences on table saws. The T-shaped head is perfect for router table work. At $40 for a pair with all 3 heads included, they're versatile helpers that adapt to whatever your project demands. Make It Snappy Tools A Carb Countersinks. Make It Snappy Tools received a Visionary Award at the AWS Fair for its recently released E-Carb series of countersinks. The countersinks feature solid carbide cutters that can be indexed to a fresh edge and easily replaced when needed. This design means you're always working with sharp cutting edges, and replacement is simple when the time comes. For production work or anyone who values consistently clean countersinks, these represent a significant upgrade over traditional options. DeWalt 20V Max XR Belt Sander. Designed with the pros in mind, the DeWalt 20V Max XR 3x21-inch belt sander is their first offering in this category. It features a brushless motor, variable speed trigger lock-on button, and 25 speed settings ranging from 650 to 1050 FFPM. The quick-release belt change lever and tool-free dust port swivel, compatible with DeWalt's airlock system, make this a professional-grade cordless solution. The textured rubber overmolds provide added control and comfort during extended use. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Random Orbit Sander. Milwaukee's new 5-inch random orbit sander features high-end power-state brushless motor technology for extended runtime and service life. This model also pulls in VAClink technology. When you pair it with Milwaukee's new 9-gallon dust extractor, you get automatic vacuum activation that helps preserve the VAC's runtime while ensuring dust collection. The automatic dust collection activation is a game-changer for shop efficiency, ensuring your vacuum only runs when needed while maintaining optimal dust capture. Harvey Shark S10 Universal Overhead Guard. Harvey's new Shark S10 Universal Overhead Guard installs to any standard rear table saw rail and slides along the track to maximize rip capacity or move out of the way if you need access to a router table attachment. The domed blade guard provides dust collection at the source and permits blade tilting. This universal design means it works with most table saws, and the sliding feature ensures it doesn't interfere with your work while providing essential safety protection and dust collection right at the blade. G-Sharp Chisel Sharpener. Sharpening chisels used to be intimidating. Not anymore. The G-Sharp Sharpener is made by a small shop in England and makes the process foolproof. Perfect for beginners who want scary sharp chisels without all the complicated setups. This tool eliminates the guesswork and intimidation factor from chisel sharpening, delivering professional results with minimal experience required. For anyone who's struggled with traditional sharpening methods, this represents a breakthrough in simplicity. Skill 8 and a 1/4-inch compact table saw. Launched in the back half of 2024, Skill's 8 and a 1/4-inch compact model is a portable option that's easy on your wallet, has some solid features, and a relatively small storage footprint. At $249, it's easy on your wallet as well. Pair this with a quality 60 or 80 tooth blade, and you have an excellent starter saw for learning. The compact design makes it perfect for small shops or as a portable solution for job sites. Oliver HCX 15-inch benchtop planer. Oliver's new 15-inch benchtop planer offers impressive capacity and performance for a benchtop unit. Boasting a 2.5 HP 230V motor and an HCX helical cutter head, it's much more capable than many of the popular and less expensive benchtop models. Industry expert Izzy Swan called it the first portable planer that I have seen that can stand up with the big boys. For a benchtop unit, this delivers surprising power and capacity that rivals much larger stationary planers. Rockler Dust Right Wall Mount Cyclone. The Rockler Dust Right 4-inch wall mount cyclone dust separator transforms a single-stage system into a more efficient two-stage system. The Dust Right pulls up to 20 gallons of larger wood chips and debris into a separate collection bag before hitting the main collection bag. This upgrade works with existing shop vacuums and dramatically improves dust collection efficiency while extending filter life. For any serious woodworker dealing with dust management, this system transforms your existing vacuum into a much more capable dust collection system. Festool Cordless Random Orbit Sanders. The new Festool Cordless Sanders, ETST2125 and ETST2150, represent the pinnacle of cordless sanding technology. These tools deliver the performance and precision Festool is known for without the constraint of power cords. The battery life is impressive for such powerful tools, and the vibration control keeps user fatigue minimal during extended sanding sessions. For professional finishers and serious hobbyists, these sanders represent the current state-of-the-art Makita 40V Max XGT belt sander. Since it's part of the high-performance XGT system, you're getting into a platform that has the potential to replace more of your corded tools without compromises in performance. The 40V Max system delivers power that rivals corded tools while providing the freedom of cordless operation. For professionals building their tool collection around Makita's XGT platform, this belt sander continues the impressive performance trend. SawStop 3-position high-low fence. We're currently testing SawStop's new 3-position high-low fence, which fits onto existing SawStop T-Glide fence rails without the need for modification. This upgrade enhances the versatility of existing SawStop table saws without requiring system overhauls. The 3-position design accommodates different cutting scenarios while maintaining the precision SawStop owners expect. Grizzly Brush Sander. Grizzly's new brush sander got attention thanks to the amount of freedom you have to dial in the performance settings exactly where you want them and ensure you get precise results. That includes sanding material as thin as 1/32 of an inch. The quick-release belt tension system makes brush changes rapid, and the variable speed conveyor and brush controls allow precise adjustments for different materials. By switching brushes, you can work on wood, metal, and other materials with the same machine. Milwaukee M18 Raid Handle Circular Saw. The new Milwaukee M18 Fuel Rear Handle Circular Saw brings contractor-grade power to the cordless platform. The rear handle design provides the familiar feel and control that framing carpenters and contractors prefer, while the M18 Fuel technology delivers the power and runtime needed for serious work. This saw represents Milwaukee's commitment to replacing corded tools without performance compromises, and early reviews suggest they've achieved that goal with this model. DeWalt 20V Max 12-inch Miter Saw. DeWalt's cordless 12-inch miter saw brings the capacity needed for serious trim and framing work to the cordless world. The 12-inch capacity handles larger crown molding and dimensional lumber while maintaining the portability advantages of cordless operation. For contractors and serious woodworkers who need the capacity of a 12-inch saw but want cordless convenience, this represents a significant step forward in cordless miter saw technology. These 20 tools show that 2025 is a breakthrough year for woodworking innovation. From $60 precision gauges to vacuum-powered lifters, these aren't just new products. They're solutions to real workshop problems. The best part? Many of these tools will pay for themselves through improved efficiency and reduced frustration. Whether you're upgrading your first shop or you're a seasoned professional, there's something here that'll make your next project easier and more enjoyable. Found this helpful? Hit that like button and subscribe for more tool discoveries that could transform your workshop. What's your biggest workshop frustration? Let us know in the comments.